Here we go, here we go, here we go. We are all done here. Look at that. Look on the gravy. Now, that is how you make the best Jamaican curry chicken in your kitchen. Fast, easy, and simple. Right there. Now, if you are new to my channel and you're watching me cooking this curry chicken recipe for the first time, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Turn on your post notification settings so you will be aware of whenever I upload a brand new video. If you're my Facebook goodie, be sure to follow me for all my authentic recipe and more. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, goodie, I saw the thing said.
Where you coming from? You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him what you forget. Turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Okay, goodie, make a cook this curry chicken recipe that you have been requesting. I have 1, 2, maybe about 3 curry chicken recipe, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this one again from scratch. So you see how to clean the chicken and all them yummy and that good up stuff there, right? Now, let me talk about the chicken. Now, you can use any part of the chicken that you want to use. In here I have about 5 pieces of legs and thighs. Now, what I did with it so far, I went ahead and took the skin off. So this is going to be skinless. I don't want no skin in it because I don't produce too much iron in my thing. So what you want to do to make sure that you wash it nice and clean, you're going to go ahead and add some salt and some white vinegar, right? You also want to get your lemon as well. Now to do that, you're going to go ahead and squeeze your lemon into the chicken like so. Then you add your salt, which is about a teaspoon of salt, right? Then you add a tablespoon of white vinegar. You want to also add a cup of water. And depending on how much chicken that you're making, you want to add maybe more or maybe less. You want to make sure though that the liquid is covering the chicken. Now you're going to go ahead and cover this up nice and tight with some plastic wrap. Set it on your countertop for about half an hour and we'll move on to the next step. And of course guys, be sure to wash your hands. Now goodie, while I have my chicken just sitting there and getting nice and clean, we're gonna go through all the other ingredients we're gonna need to make a mean curry chicken recipe in your kitchen. Now, first you're going to need onion powder and garlic powder, right? So, salt and black pepper, Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, and chicken seasoning. That's all you need. You don't want to over flavor it because you're going to kill the authentic taste. Now, I'm going to be also adding my Ochireos, right? So, Ochireos curry powder, right? I love it as well. This is the only one I use. If I'm not using Keebler and curry powder, this is the only one that I use. I like the flavor of this one as well. I like Ochireos brands right there. Now to that, I'm going to add a potato. Now the potato is optional, right? But when I was growing up and things used to be tight in the house, Mama always stretched the curry chicken or whatever curry we cook with potato so it could feed the multitude, if you know what I mean. So look at this. Now, in addition to that, you're gonna need skeleton thyme, tomatoes, onion, bell pepper. I'm using green and orange. I'm also going to add some garlic cloves to it. Now I'm going to add some pimento seeds and also some ginger in the plate right there. So the ginger is going to curve out the people who can't handle curry. Make sure you have some ginger. I'm going to add some vinegar to it as well. Even though I add vinegar to clean the chicken, I'm going to add vinegar when I'm simmering down the chicken in my Jamaican kitchen. chicken nice and clean, just the way I want it. Time to season up this thing now. I'm going to add my salt and black pepper. Then add my all-purpose seasoning and my chicken seasoning to it. Then after that, I add some garlic powder and my onion powder as well. Now all the ingredients, everything that I use for the recipe will be listed down in the description. Make sure to check that out. I'm also going to be adding about a tablespoon of curry powder to it. Like so. And just kind of mix this around a little bit. And now what I'm going to do here, guys, I'm going to go ahead and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Because this is not an overnight thing. Now you could do this overnight, y'all. But in my kitchen, everything fast, easy and simple. Me have a husband when not going to wait for 24 hours to season up and flavor up meat. I have to cook fast. My family to feed. Alright, so yes, 30 minutes we need and that's it. Not less, not more. 30 minutes, I'm going to come right back here, so. Now goody, 30 minutes later, right? I have my pot on the fire and I put some cooking oil in there. Any oil of your choice is fine. Any oil you like to use is fine. Now to that, I'm going to add another tablespoon of curry powder to it. And you don't want to burn it, okay? Please do not burn your curry powder. To that, I'm going to add my garlic and my ginger. Now, if you don't have fresh ginger, please use ginger powder. Now, I'm going to add the chicken in. I'm going to cover that up for about 10 minutes. I'm going to come right back. Now y'all, after 10 minutes, that's what your chicken is going to look like. You want to go ahead and just kind of give it a nice little mix. Now you want to go ahead and add all your veggies in. And my pepper is right there. Hot scotch bonnet pepper right on the top. Now I'm going to add my potatoes. And remember I told you the potatoes are totally optional. But it means when you make your curry chicken, or curry beef, or curry pork, or curry mutton, anything, curry, add some potatoes to it. Then I'm going to add about 2 cups of hot water. Do not use cold water, guys. Use hot water to it. And I'm going to also add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Now that you have everything of one good in your pot, just the way Mama showed me, you know. Yes. We're going to put on the lid on the pot like so. We're going to give it about 35 to 40 minutes. And when I come back, curry chicken ready. Here we go. We are all done here. Look at that. Look on the gravy, y'all. Now, that is how you make the best Jamaican curry chicken in your kitchen. Fast, easy, and simple. Right there. Jamaican authentic curry chicken recipe in my kitchen. Fast, easy, and simple. Let's get that on a plate. There you have it, goodie all on a plate. Don't forget to subscribe now. Tell me what you like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.